Economists have become more downbeat about the economy's prospects, with many raising the odds of a recession. They also see a greater chance of higher inflation. So the problem is, as people start to believe a recession is coming, they spend like a recession is coming. And that's exactly what we're starting to see in the data as we now overlay the unemployment rate against real retail sales, still in blue, against manufacturers' new orders of durable goods, that's still in red. You can see those slowdowns. Well, that impacts the labor market as demand for new orders and sales go down. Well, demand for workers goes down as well. That's why you see the unemployment rate rising right into the dot-com bubble, as it does once again going the global financial crisis. And now the risk is it's going to happen again. And we're seeing this all happen in what appears to be slow motion from an economic perspective, rather high speed when we take a look at the equity markets. Meanwhile, hiring and costs continue to pose challenges for small companies. 19% cited labor quality as their single most important problem, meaning they can't find experienced workers. And that was followed closely by taxes, which are cited by 18%, the highest share since November of 2021. But here's the big one.